Hello, my name is Ryzen. Thank you for getting in my channel. Now I have bought the new Ryzen CPU, the 2700X. Now we're gonna do an unboxing. Already removed part of the tape, but I haven't still unboxed it yet. So let's see what's under the box. Ooh, sexy. Okay. Here it is. Let's see what's here. Oh, there has to be the cooler. Let's see the cooler. And right here is the CPU itself. You see the CPU. The instruction booklet. And behold, the new Ryzen 7 20. Let me see. What is it? Oh yeah, 2700X. Then we're gonna do a follow-up video that we're gonna install it in a brand new motherboard. Let's see the cooler. Wow, look at this cooler. It has two separate cables. I imagine one is for the RGB and the other one for power. And here we have the cooler. I suppose the orientation in the motherboard should go like this one, like this. You have the paste, thermal paste, and the power cord, power cable, and the hooks. 4 pipes, 1, 2, 3, 4 pipes. Okay, you got it. And that's my unboxing for the brand new Ryzen 7 CPU.